Hello, I'm Sangah Noona. I'm here to teach you how to play bass walking into any songs. Super easy, simple way, which is remember 1, 2, 3, 5. What? Yeah, just this guy. Just take out this guy and just 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. What does that mean? We're gonna go to piano here. F major chord. 2, 3, 5. That's it. Yes, that's it with this face. Yes, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 5. How about Hey Jude? C. 1, 2, 3, 5. Easy, right? How about different song? Killing Me Softly with his song? A minor? 2, 3, 5. Easy. How about Iruma? Kiss the Rain? Woo! You can do any songs you want with just 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, but if you feel it's a little bit too much for playing right hand melody, then how about just playing chords? Back to that Hey Jude, we got F. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Woohoo, it's better, isn't it? Have fun practicing and just try this easy, super duper easy, simple pattern on your left hand bass walking to your favorite song.
Hey friend, I hope you're enjoying this lesson. Now, if you want more lessons just like this, plus an interactive practice tool, plus weekly live lessons, come hang out with me. You gotta take advantage of the free trial we have for you below this video. 7 days, free Pianote. What fun could be had? See you there.